Students, in the previous video, we solved the equation by systematic method and we completed question number 1 using the addition and subtraction law in the given equations. Today, we are going to solve question number 2. So, let's solve it. Exercise 9.2, question number 2. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Students, in this question, we have to solve the equation. We have to solve the given equation by systematic method using law. So, let's solve sum A. 3L equals to 42. Students, in this equation, we have to use the division law. We have to divide both the sides by 3. By doing so, we will get just L on left hand side. Students, note that we have to divide in the form of fraction. We know that in fraction, we have numerator and the denominator. Numerator will be 3L and denominator will be 3 in this equation. So let's divide both the sides by 3 and find the solution of the given equation. Students, on left hand side 3L is given. So we have to divide 3L by 3 and on right hand side 42 is given. So, we have to also divide 42 by 3. Dividing both sides by 3, we get 3L upon 3 equals to 42 upon 3. Students, we have to cut common 3. And we have to divide 42 by 3. By doing so, we will get L equals to 14. So, L equal to 14 is the solution of 3L equals to 42. Now, sum B. B upon 2 equals to 6. Students, in this equation, we have to use multiplication law. We have to multiply both the sides by a constant number 2. So, let's multiply both the sides by 2. Multiplying both the sides by 2, we get B upon 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 6 multiplied by 2. Students, we have to cut common 2 and we have to multiply 6 by 2. By doing so, we get B equals to 12. So, B equals to 12 is the solution of B upon 2 equals to 6. Now, sum C. P upon 7 equals to 4. Students, in this equation, we have to use multiplication law. Multiplying both the sides by 7, we get P upon 7 multiplied by 7 equals to 4 multiplied by 7. By cutting the common 7 and multiplying 4 by 7, we get P equals to 28. So, P equals to 28 is the solution of P upon 7 equals to 4. Now, sum D. 4x equals to 25. Students, in this equation, we have to use division law. Dividing both the sides by 4, we get 4x upon 4 equals to 25 upon 4. By cutting common 4 and dividing 25 upon 4. We get x equals to 25 upon 4. Converting improper fraction into mixed fraction, we get 6 integer 1 upon 4. So, 6 integer 1 upon 4 is the solution of 4x equals to 25. Now, sum f. Z upon 3 equals to 5 upon 4. Students, in this equation, we have to use multiplication law. Multiplying both the sides by 3, we get Z upon 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 5 upon 4 multiplied by 3. Students, in the second step, we have to cut the common 3 and we have to multiply numerator 5 by 3, keeping the denominator 4 as it is. By doing so, we get Z equals to 15 upon 4. Converting 15 upon 4 into mixed fraction, we get Z equals to 3 integer 3 upon 4. So, Z equals to 3 integer 3 upon 4 is the solution of Z upon 3 equals to 5 upon 4. Now, sum G. A upon 5 equals to 7 upon 15. Students, in this equation, we have to use multiplication law in order to separate the variable A. Multiplying both the sides, that is A upon 5 and 7 upon 15 by 5, we get A upon 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 7 upon 15 multiplied by 5. By cutting common 5 and multiplying 7 by 5 and keeping the denominator 15 same, we get 35 upon 15. Now, reducing 35 upon 15 in the lowest form, we get A equals to 7 upon 3. Converting 7 upon 3 into mixed fraction, we get 2 integer 1 upon 3. So, A equals to 2 integer 1 upon 3 is the solution of A upon 5 equals to 7 upon 15. Students, solve sum E and H by your